Good morning. We're ready for you. Proceed to the weighbridge, please.
Each truck is weighed to calculate the exact quantity of sunflower seeds entering the facility. Accepted seeds are transferred into silos equipped with aeration and temperature control systems. If moisture exceeds safe levels, seeds pass through heated air dryers to prevent spoilage. Dehullers crack the outer shells, separating low-oil hulls from valuable kernels. Roller mills break cellular structures, preparing kernels for efficient oil release. Flaking increases surface area, preparing the material for thermal conditioning.
Steam heating coagulates proteins and weakens oil-bearing cells.
Conditioned flakes are transferred directly into mechanical presses. Continuous pressure forces crude oil through fine openings in the press cage. Primary extraction recovers most of the oil, leaving residual content in the cake. Remaining oil is recovered through solvent extraction. Hexane dissolves the remaining oil, forming an oil-solvent mixture.
Heat separates hexane vapor from crude oil under controlled conditions.
Recovered solvent is condensed and reused in a closed-loop system. Steam removes residual solvent and prepares protein-rich meal. The final meal becomes valuable animal feed. Extracted crude oil is stored before purification. Degumming removes phospholipids from crude oil.
Centrifugal force separates gums from purified oil. Alkali neutralizes free fatty acids, forming soap stock. Impurities are removed, reducing acidity.
Washing eliminates residual soap and contaminants. Vacuum drying removes remaining moisture.
Filtration clarifies the oil and improves color.
Controlled cooling allows wax crystals to form. Waxes are removed to ensure clarity at low temperatures. High-temperature steam distillation removes odors and volatile compounds.
Under high heat and vacuum, final purification is achieved.
Refined sunflower oil is stored in hygienic tanks before packaging.
Acidity and oxidation levels are verified before release.
Refined oil enters high-speed rotary filling machines.
Automated systems ensure accurate volume control in every bottle.
Caps are applied and torque controlled for leak prevention.
Labels provide traceability, branding, and regulatory information. Each unit receives a unique batch code for tracking. Cartoning systems prepare products for transport. Automated palletizers optimize stacking efficiency. Stretch wrapping stabilizes pallets for storage and shipment.
Finished goods are stored in climate-controlled warehouses.
Products are dispatched to retailers and food manufacturers. Bulk shipments supply large-scale food processing industries. Hulls are reused as biomass fuel to generate steam. Effluent is treated to meet environmental standards.
Modern facilities produce thousands of bottles every hour.
Final verification confirms packaging integrity.
The final product is clear, stable, and ready for consumers.
Sunflower oil offers a high smoke point suitable for frying. Its composition includes linoleic and oleic acids.
Production supports both domestic and international markets. Daily shipments move across supply chains worldwide.
Agriculture, chemistry, and engineering converge in one integrated system.
Every drop reflects precision processing. Prepared, tested, and packaged for global distribution.
From seed to bottle, sunflower oil undergoes a precise industrial journey. Modern processing transforms nature's harvest into everyday cooking oil.
Behind every clear golden bottle lies science, engineering, and global agriculture.